Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Fresh and Rebel Twins 3 with any Android device. So first of all, you have to remember to put both earbuds inside and charge at least to 50% by using this charging port. Next, you have to click and hold this button at the bottom for at least 5 seconds. So let's do this right now. After a few moments, this indicator blinks 3 times, so hold it and now release. Next, you have to simply open this charging case, remove left and the right earbud. We have to take a look for these indicators right here, and after a few moments, one of this earbud will start blinking like that, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. We have to open the Bluetooth settings on our device, then select Pair New Device. Twins 3 appears on available devices list, so we are able to click on them once and accept pairing request. As you can see right now, we are connected and we can try if everything is fine. So let me turn on the music. Yeah, I can definitely hear sound in the left and the right earbud. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.